So I'm almost 99% positive I'm gonna need to put new injectors in this thing. I thought I'd make a quick little YouTube video. I know I haven't really covered too much on my channel other than that I bought this thing, but a little bit of a background. My fuel gelled up on me when we had a cold November day, and it's New Year's Eve today. But ever since then, it's had this little hiccup where every once in a while it'll just rev up like that. You can kind of hear it, almost like it's double shotting in a cylinder when it shouldn't be. And if you look, the door shakes pretty bad. You can feel it. But the engine still runs. It still starts okay. It's taking a little bit more cranking to get it to start, but it'll still start up in cold weather just fine without a block heater, even though I still plug it in anyway. Sometimes I'll start it up and it'll keep smoking out the back. I know this thing's a rust bucket, but I don't care. I love it anyway. Well, sort of. It's a love-hate relationship. Anyway, it'll blow out smoke out the exhaust, white smoke at startup until it'll warm up, or until I make it do the manual high idle thing. But what makes no sense to me is it runs perfectly smooth under load while I'm driving. Now if I come to a stoplight, it'll sometimes do that little jitter. I've seen some other YouTube videos and they're saying that replace your injectors. That's like the #1 go-to for any issues with this engine. My oil is slightly over the line. I think it is getting diluted, so I'm hoping I just have one bad injector, but I'm probably going to wait till the summer to replace all 6 anyway. So I mean, Cummins life, I guess. All the Power Stroke guys are probably laughing their asses off, but I don't care. Anyway, that's a little quick YouTube video update for you. I just cold started this thing, so it's running a little bit smoother the longer I let it run. But I mean, I love this thing. I just want to keep it going for as long as I can. As you can see, 127,000 miles on it. So it'll show it. Yeah, there we go. 127, 213 miles on it. Lamp out indicator, I've tried fixing that. Turn the headlights on, that'll go away. I haven't changed the bulbs. I've changed the FCM, so that cleared that up. But yeah, she's running a little rough, but sounds good otherwise. Just thought I'd make a quick YouTube video / update video on this thing / help video before I dump $2 into injectors and change all those out. But something tells me that'll fix it, because everything else on this truck is fine other than the rust. So that's all for this update / help / whatever. So if you guys got any tips, let me know. Thanks.